Good morning, this is Mrs. Havens, and today is Tuesday, January 25th, and I'm going to tell you what you're going to do in reading and spelling today. So in reading today, we started yesterday the Reader's Theater of The Farmer and the Donkey. And so today you are going to read out loud 78 through 83. That's Act 1 of The Farmer and the Donkey. After you do that, you need to take out your workbook. Your English workbook, page 211. And I need to get mine as well. And if you don't have yours right there, then you can pause the video and you can go get it at this time. Okay, so on page 211, please don't tear out this page. Write your heading on it. And when you get back to school, your teacher will get it from you at that time. So on page 211, it says what to do. So on what to do, you are going to answer the questions. Number 1, first the farmer and his son meet the baker. What is the baker's advice to the farmer? And you're going to write a possible answer, which is not, you don't have to write the exact same answer as your friend, but you need to give the advice of the farmer. Because remember, every time the farmer and his son meet someone, they offer new advice. Number 2, and you'll go back and write these after the video, or you can pause after each one. Number 2, then the farmer and his son meet the blacksmith. What is the blacksmith's advice to the farmer? Number 3, what if the farmer meets you next? What advice will you give the farmer? So will you have advice like the other people, or will you have some new advice that you would give? On the back, on page 212, you're going to read the words in the boxes at the top: buzzed, licked, rotted, wagged, and rocked. And you're going to circle the sound of the ED. Does the ED make a duh sound like D? Or does it make a t sound like T? You're going to figure out the sound D, T, or id. Id is the other possibility. I'm sorry, I left that one out. And then the last thing you're going to do is the number of syllables. You're going to either be 1 or 2. Let's do the first one together. The word is buzzed. Say the word buzzed. Does it sound at the end like duh, tuh, or id? You're right, D, buzzed. So circle the D. Next, let's count the number of syllables. Buzzed. That is 1 syllable. So you circle the 1. Now it's your turn to do the rest of the words. There's 4 more. And part B. Part B is filling in the circle next to the best answer. Make sure you try out both possibilities and make sure your answer makes sense. So that is your reading for today. The second thing you're going to do today is spelling. And in spelling, it is your WordWorks Spiral Day. So you should have your WordWorks Spiral at home with you. If you don't, you can use a piece of paper and then you can turn it in that way since you may not have the proper spiral. So today, don't forget, you have 25 words, including your bonuses. So I'm going to let you have a few choices of what word work activity you want to complete. Your first choice is doing a hidden picture with all 25 of your words. And then maybe your parents can try to find it, or your brother or sister. That would be fun. So you can draw a picture and hide your 25 words in it. The second choice you have is to write all 25 words in alphabetical order. And it's getting a little bit more difficult because there are more words, and some words start with the same letter, so you might have to go the second or third letter. And your third choice is a story. You can write a spelling story using, you can pick out 10 words to write in your story. And then you can underline them or highlight them to go back and so I can see them. Remember, you always write your date at the top of your page for WordWorks Spiral. Okay, that is reading and spelling for today, Tuesday, January 25th. Thank you.